Hello and welcome to this Excel video tutorial. Today we're looking at finding the difference between two dates in Microsoft Excel. Now there's a function called DATEDIF which will give you the difference between two dates in Microsoft Excel. So you're going to need to start by entering those two dates. So I'm going to type in the 1st of January 2019. And that'll be the first of my dates. And for the second of my dates, I'm going to type in the last day of February. So this year, that's the 28th of February, 2019. And we can use the DATEDIF function to calculate the number of days between those two dates. The function is equal and then DATEDIF, a bracket, and then you'll select the start date, type a comma, select the end date, type another comma, and then you'll need to tell Microsoft Excel what sort of calculation you want it to make. Do you want days? Do you want months? Do you want years? In our case, we want days. So inside a set of double quote marks, I'll type the letter D, another quote mark, and a bracket. The D is what tells Microsoft Excel that you want to calculate this in days. I'll press enter. And there are 58 days between those two dates. So these are the values that you can use. You'll use D for days, M for months, and Y for years. So you could, for example, calculate the number of days that you've been alive, or the number of months between two dates, or the number of years. I hope this video has been of help to you. Please, if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.